Cranky. I'm Tyler. Well, the dog hunter. And today, we are going to look for
Jack Russell.
the Jack Russell. It is the rare dog, and we are trying to find it. And we're on our search. It's man versus dog here. They say that the Jack is really dangerous. So we're going to go look for his ass. We're going to bust some caps. Let's go. Looks clear. I don't know, man. I'm shitting my pants looking for this nigga. He's not over there. Still looking. There's some. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. There it is. What are we gonna do? He's just staring at the midair. Oh god. He doesn't spot us shit. I'm fucking shaking, man. Oh god. He noticed us. Oh god. Oh god, we gotta make a run for it, man. He doesn't notice us yet. Meanwhile, I'm right in front of his face. Hello there, ugly. Yeah, we just found the rare Jack, but there's one that's even rare. Its name is Chewbacca. Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Look at this little guy.
Oh, it's just a baby.
It's just a baby. Oh God! Here's the dog! There's the dog! Ah! There's the dog! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! What am I gonna do? What for your life, brother? Go on without me! Go on, get out of here! Brandon, get out of here! Save yourself! Give yourself to Come out! He's ripping my pants off! What shall I do? I ain't gonna make it!
We're training it now, we're training it.
Oh, dead.